What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you all how to install shaders for Minecraft. So first, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to open up a browser tab, and then we're going to want to search up Fabric Installer. Once we get here, we can go ahead and download for Windows, and we can go ahead and open that up. Here you can select your version. So whichever version of Minecraft you're playing on, this is what you will choose. So for me, I'm playing on the latest version, which is 1.21.11. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and click install. After that, we can go ahead and click the Windows plus R key. And you want to type in %appdata%. And go ahead and click OK. This will bring up your app data folder, and you should see a .minecraft. We can go ahead and double click on that. And then we're just going to go ahead and minimize that for later. Next, what you want to do is you're going to want to go to Modrinth. And it should be the first thing that comes up whenever you search it. You're going to want to click Discover Mods. And in order to download and run the shaders that you want to run, you're going to need Sodium, first of all. So go ahead, click on Sodium, download. You're going to want to select your game version, which I'm running the latest. And then we're going to want to do Fabric for the platform. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click download. We'll go ahead and open that up. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to cut that. And then we'll open up our app data folder. And under .minecraft, and you should see mods. Double click on that. As you can see, I already have a couple things in here. So you would cut that and paste it in here. Sodium, Fabric. Next, what we're going to want to download is we can go back. We're going to want to download Irish Shaders. So go ahead and download that. Select your game version. Select the platform, which is Fabric. And then once that's downloaded, go ahead and find it in your downloads folder. Cut that and paste it into that mods folder. Now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to actually install the specific shader that you want. So we're going to go under shaders here. This is the one that I recommend, Complementary Shaders Unbound. And you're going to want to download that. So select your game version and select platform. This one's a little different. What we're going to do is we're going to click Iris because that's the mod that we just downloaded. Click Iris, go ahead and download. So that should be good. And then we're going to just go back to that download, the complementary unbound.zip. We're going to cut that. And back in your app data roaming Minecraft, you should see shader packs. If you do not see shader packs, you might actually have to launch the game and go in there and get it loaded. So we're going to open up shader packs, and all you would have to do is paste that in there. And then that should be everything that we need. What we're going to do is we're going to launch the Minecraft launcher. And over here in the left, this is your game version. What we're going to want to make sure is that we are under the fabric loader for our game version. So go ahead and click on that, and we'll click play. And then once we have Minecraft open, we can go ahead and go into one of my single player worlds here, just to show you how to get the shaders installed and working. So here, what you want to do is you want to go to options, video settings, and you should see a menu that looks like this. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to shader packs, and you should see the shader pack that you downloaded and put into that shader packs folder. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on it and click apply. Once you're done with that, you can exit out. And as you can see, we now have the shader packs enabled. And what I want you guys to do is if you have any questions, if you have any concerns about what we just went through, leave it in the comment section below. Other than that, I would really appreciate it if you would like the video and consider subscribing. Other than that, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.